Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome back to The Explainer. Now, if you've ever burned hours just staring at a blank screen, trying to design a graphic that, well, doesn't look absolutely terrible, you're going to want to pay close attention today. We're unpacking a pretty bold claim from a creator named Mark Hess. He says he's built a system that lets you pump out jaw-dropping professional-level infographics in literal seconds. And the real kicker? You apparently don't need a single ounce of design skill. No way, right? Well, let's see.
Here's a quick look at our roadmap for today. We'll start with the graphic design struggle, move into the ChatGPT software solution, check out Tool 1 for keyword infographics, then Tool 2 for infographic ads, and wrap up with the ultimate bundle offer.
All right, Section 1. The graphic design struggle, the bottleneck of visual content.
So the pitch starts by hitting on a universal pain point for, well, pretty much anyone trying to build an audience online. Creating visual content is exhausting. Let me ask you directly, are you tired of pixel pushing in Canva? You totally know the feeling. You've got this brilliant idea, but to actually visualize it, you've got to hunt for a layout, guess which fonts go together, figure out colors that don't clash, and then literally drag tiny text boxes around your screen for 2 solid hours. And honestly, even after all that sweat, a lot of us still end up with graphics that are just kind of boring. It's a massive bottleneck.
To really agitate that pain point, the creator rapid fires this list of what you don't need to do anymore. Let's call them the no's. No design skills required. No writing or brainstorming ideas from scratch. No expensive software like Photoshop. No complicated AI prompts to learn. And a really big one for me, no spelling errors to painstakingly correct. It's a heavy set of promises, right? Designed to literally eliminate every single excuse you might have.
Moving on to Section 2, the ChatGPT software solution. Copy, paste, generate.
So the bundle basically acts as a super specialized bridge between you and artificial intelligence, letting the AI do all the heavy lifting. The workflow relies on this core 3-step mechanic that completely bypasses traditional design tools. Step 1, you just use the software to copy a pre-engineered prompt. Step 2, you paste that prompt right into ChatGPT. And Step 3, you literally just sit back and watch ChatGPT generate the finished infographic. The claim here is that these prompts are so finely tuned, the AI spits out a premium, perfectly spelled graphic on the very first try, in under 60 seconds.
Now, what's really interesting about this is just how broad the intended audience actually is. Just look at the 6 different use cases outlined here. He's not pigeonholing this into one tiny niche. He's saying, hey, this works for social media creators who need viral daily posts. It works for affiliate marketers who need scroll-stopping ads, digital product sellers, bloggers, coaches explaining complex frameworks, even e-commerce owners promoting physical stuff. The core pitch is that high-quality visual information is a universal currency online right now.
All right, let's get into the specifics with Section 3, Tool 1, Keyword Infographics, from idea to visual. This first tool is designed to take you from a raw, fuzzy idea to a completed visual in one fell swoop. Let's look at a concrete example. Say you plug a broad keyword into the software, in this case something like survival prepping. The software then whips up 30 different prompt styles based purely on that keyword. You copy one, paste it into ChatGPT, and boom! It outputs something like this highly detailed 10-point survival guide checklist. Just look at the structure. It's got icons, categorized sections, formatted text, all generated from one simple keyword. It totally removes the entire ideation phase. And this brilliantly illustrates how versatile the tool is across completely different markets. For example, you can generate a daily habit scorecard for the health and fitness niche, specifically boosting metabolism. But then you can also create a highly structured framework for a digital marketing niche, like increasing views on TikTok. Wildly different subjects, right? But both maintain that clean, bold, high-contrast design language. The creator claims this is engineered specifically to make people stop scrolling and actually save the post.
The layouts can actually get surprisingly sophisticated too. Check out this Eliminate Procrastination infographic. It's not just some basic bulleted list, it's a full-on matrix layout that walks the viewer logically through the problem, the cause, the solution, and the result. Normally, structuring information this clearly takes a copywriter and a designer collaborating for, a few hours? This software claims to automate that entire structural layout directly inside ChatGPT without you having to manually tweak a thing.
Which brings us to Section 4. Tool 2, Infographic Ads, monetizing the output. Sure, creating viral content is awesome, but how does this system actually help you sell stuff? That's exactly where tool number 2 comes in. While the first tool runs on keywords, this one uses your actual sales pages or landing pages as the input. You literally just paste your offer copy into the software. It then generates 20 specific ad prompt styles. For instance, look at this objection crusher framework. It visually lists out and neutralizes the 10 most common reasons someone might not buy an offer. Price, time, skepticism, all that. It's a highly sales-focused visual structure designed to convert casual viewers into actual buyers.
And to prove this ad generator isn't just for digital courses or coaching, check out these contrasting examples. On one hand, you have an ad for a digital product, a package of AI prompts for children's coloring books, neatly breaking down the value stack. On the other hand, there's an ad for a physical Amazon product, a Vivor precision miter gauge, highlighting its specific features and benefits. It's pretty cool how the ad generator dynamically adapts, whether you're selling a digital PDF download or a literal piece of hardware. So the crucial point here is understanding the distinction between what you're actually getting in the box. Tool 1, Instant Infographics, takes a simple keyword, gives you 30 prompt styles, and is your go-to for building an audience with viral social content. Tool 2, Instant Infographic Ads, takes your actual sales copy, hands you 20 targeted ad prompt styles, and is engineered specifically for direct affiliate and product promotion. Make sense?
Let's wrap things up with Section 5, the ultimate bundle offer, the brass tacks.
Time to objectively break down the commercial details and the guarantees. The creator leans really heavily into this unlimited, no hidden fees value proposition to try and close the sale. The terms promise lifetime access to both software tools. Plus, you get unlimited graphic generation, meaning you could create 5 or 500 infographics in a single day if you wanted to. He emphatically stresses that there are 0 ongoing monthly subscriptions, absolutely no confusing API keys to set up, and, this is a big one, the system works perfectly with the free versions of AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude.
And the price tag for all this capability? Well, according to the sales page, the regular price sits at $297. But the creator is currently offering an early bird price of $197 for the entire lifetime bundle. He's positioning this as a massive savings, especially when you compare it to hiring a freelance designer or paying for a monthly Canva Pro subscription year after year.
To really sum up the entire pitch, it all boils down to this one core promise. Turn boring copy into visual infographics designed to grab attention fast. That is the ultimate goal here. It's not about turning you into the next great artist. It's about completely removing the friction between having a great marketing message and getting that message visually in front of your audience, fast.
Which leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to ponder. If tools like this actually deliver on their promise, allowing absolutely anyone to generate highly complex, polished, professional infographics with 0 effort and 0 design skills, how is that going to change the competitive landscape? Think about it. When high-end visual design is no longer a barrier to entry, how will you ensure your content actually stands out in a feed full of perfect graphics? It's something every focused learner and digital marketer really needs to think about. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you